It still smells fresh for a new hotel. Okay, let's come. That is room 219 in Holiday Express Hotel. And let's see what we have. Will you please open and insert the card here? Okay, let it be light. Okay, here we have an ironing board. Well, the first impression is that it's clean. Yes, it is. Maybe because it is clean. And here is the coffee, Nescoffee, decaf, some tea, hot water cooker, very good. That is the TV. Let's see the view from the 12th floor. The view is footmarked Amsterdam. On Google Maps is written Jumbo store. And here's some view from the canal. Here the electricity contact, night lights. The chair looks nice. Yeah. Here USB rechargers. Very beautiful, cozy, clean. Some additional blankets. And that is the bathroom. Spotless. Spotless here. Shampoo and hand and body wash. Some towels. Very beautiful, clean. Very beautiful. That is the garage from Hotel Holiday Inn Express north side here in Amsterdam. That is the underground parking. The price is €30 per car per 24 hours. As you can see, the garage is very well maintained, super clean. The parking lots, they are big enough so for smaller and for bigger cars. And here your car will be safe and sound.